Firstly, straight off the bat, if you're even remotely interested in equity, I've got a full PDF report on it that you can download for free. The link's in the description below. Now, here's why you'll want it. What if I told you that you could buy your next investment property without saving a single dollar for the deposit? Sounds unbelievable, right? But I've helped hundreds of Australians do exactly that. The secret is equity. And the truth is, most people either don't realise they have it or they have no idea how to use it. And that's costing them years of progress and potentially millions of dollars in missed opportunities. Hi, I'm Lloyd Edge, Director of Oz Property Professionals, Real Estate Institute of New South Wales Buyers Agent of the Year and author of Positively Geared, Australia's #1 best-selling property investment book of the past decade. I've built my own portfolio starting from just a $50,000 deposit, and today I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step framework to understand, create and use equity to accelerate your property journey. Equity is the difference between your property's current market value and what you owe. If your property is worth $800,000 and your loan is $500,000, that's $300,000 in equity. Get an up-to-date valuation so you're working with real numbers. Step 2. Create more equity. There are 4 main ways. Capital growth. Buy in the right market and at rising values boost equity. Pay down the loan. Every repayment increases your stake. Renovate. Spend $50,000 and you can increase the value by $150,000 or more. Strategic buying. It is possible, but it is a tough market, but securing property under market value in a growth area for instant equity. Step 3. Understand LVR and borrowing limits. Most lenders will let you borrow up to 80% of a property's value without paying lender's mortgage insurance. If your property is worth $600,000 with a $400,000 mortgage at 80% LVR, you could access about $80,000 in usable equity. Renovations can make this number much bigger. Step 4. Put equity to work. Here are your main options. Refinance. Replace your existing loan with a bigger one and use the extra as a deposit. Renovate again. Use equity to fund further improvements and keep building. Just keep doing the same process. Diversify. Buy in different suburbs or different property types to spread the risk. Step 5. Protect yourself from risk. Equity isn't free money. Over-leveraging, market drops and investment rate hikes can hurt you. Keep a buffer, make sure you can service repayments and get the tax right. And get the right tax and structuring advice. At Oz Property Professionals, we work with clients to identify their equity position, release it safely, and strategically invest it in properties that will keep growing their wealth. It's the exact process I used to go from a $50,000 deposit to financial freedom. And it works, as long as you're sticking to the plan. If you're sitting on a property and wondering if it could fund your next investment without touching your savings, download the free report in the description below. And if you want to find out even quicker, get in touch with my team. We'll run the numbers and give you a clear plan. But also importantly, watch this video here on the screen. Trust me, you're going to want to see that one.